today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Peacock TV discount code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you have to search for Peacock TV discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see, we have some promo codes right here that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this one, it's 15% discount of your next purchase. All you need to do is select this promotion right here, and this is the promo code. You can copy the promo code from right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called WordPenny. And right here we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with up to 30% discount, all you need to do is simply select this promotion right here, and this is the promo code. You can simply tap right here to copy the promo code and apply this one on your next purchase to get that discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.